How to set up prepayment method on booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding a payment method, setting up a prepayment on booking.com. So now let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is you have to log in using your credentials in the booking.com application. If this is your first time on booking.com, you can click on register option and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, adding a payment method is important because it secures your bookings with a valid payment resource. This helps prevent issues such as losing a reservation due to your payment delays or having your reservation cancelled by a host. With the payment method on file, you can often take advantage of the flexible booking options like reserving rooms without immediate payment or canceling within a certain time frame without penalties, depending on the property's policies. So to add a payment method, you have to first launch the application on your mobile device and then go to My Account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and under the payment information, click on Payment Methods. Simply tap on it. And here you will see the option of Add Card that is highlighted in blue color. Simply tap on it. Now enter the card holder's name, then card number and expiration date. If you're using a Bank of America account, you may need to log in to make the process smoother. And if you encounter any issues such as technical glitches or problems adding your credit or debit card, you can contact the booking.com customer service, which is available 24/7. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.